How to remove Gamma watermark. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Gamma AI and how you can remove the watermark off of its generations. Now, if you don't know what Gamma is a software that allows you to generate presentations, create notes, and outline different types of existing contents that you may have. And as you can see, I have created presentations for myself as well, and they work effectively and amazingly. Now, how do you go ahead and remove the watermark off of those generations? Now, that is a question that a lot of people have been asking, and in this video, I will show you how you're going to remove the gamma watermark. So, basically, as you can see, you can open up any presentation that you've previously created for yourself, okay? And I have this presentation over here, so I'm going to go over to it. And what's going to happen is when you try to export the presentation, what happens in that case? Like, let's say I'm going to go ahead and generate something for myself. Now, when we have generated it and I try to export it, what happens in that case is that it's going to give me a whole list of these different cards that I can actually, work with and I can actually use. But when I go over ahead to downloading it for myself or I go over to the export section, what happens in that case is it's going to let me know that hide made with gamma badge. Now, this is the option that you're going to want to tick. Okay. So if I go ahead and turn that on, it's going to give me this prompt. So if you want to hide your gamma presentations, here you can either go ahead and get their plus plan where you get unlimited AI and custom branding to elevate your workflow, or you can get their pro plan, their most powerful AI and customization tools at your fingertips. Okay. So you can find these two plans for yourself, or what you can do is, let's say I'm going to go over ahead to done. Okay. And we come here, I'm going to click on export and I export it as a PDF, let's say. Okay. Now, once it's done exporting as a PDF, what happens in this case is that it's going to allow me to go ahead and download it over here. I'm going to open up the file. And now, as you can see, we have made with Gamma right here. Now, if you want to remove this in a different way where you don't have to pay Gamma, what you can do in that case is you can go over to any software like Canva. Okay. So once we go over to Canva, what happens in this case is you can add your design over to Canva. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on upload media and I'm going to be dropping the PDF folder that I just downloaded. Now, once the PDF folder is over here, what's going to happen in this case is I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And once we click on it, we're going to click on create a design. And obviously you're going to do the same thing you did previously, drop the design right over here. And once you drop the design, what happens in this case is let me show you. Now, once you're here in this design, now this is the made with gamma thing. Okay. So all you're going to need to do is just delete it. And once you delete that, that is basically it. That is how you can remove the gamma watermark. And once it's deleted, simply go ahead and export the PNG, PDF, whatever you have, export it again, and you're good to go. So that is basically how you're going to remove the gamma watermark off of your designs in the easiest and most simplest way possible. So that is pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.